we will not achieve our goal without the hard work and efforts of my teammates, the directors and officers of this organization. They are the unsung heroes, as well as our attendees, as well as our loyal members. Our loyal members and attendees are the driving force and backbone of this organization. Of course, I want to give also my appreciation to my better half, Tony, who always give the help. On personal level, I would like to thank our board of advisors, the community leaders for their support to FYSS and to yours truly. Thank you all for supporting Forever Young. I am looking forward to another future and beyond. Magandang hapon po at maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ako po ang inyong best friend forever.
Ronnie, thank you. Alam niyo ho, 6 years na pang forever yan. Parang ngayon pa lang natin narinig na nagpa-thank you sa akin si Ronnie. Pero hindi ba yan? Ladies and gentlemen, we're now going to have our birthday celebration. And nakita niyo, meron po mga toaster na inaabot sa inyo. At unahin natin tawagin ang ating mga birthday celebrants for January. Eto na, una-una. Perla de Peralta. Ayan na. Vivencia Lolisa. O Cristina Bagsapra. Cristina Bagsapra. Sammy Clado. Ray Perlia. Pagkaliano. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to request our Vice President to do the birthday toast. Let's give a big welcome to Dali Olvido. Oh, palakpakan niyo naman. Maganda-ganda ni Dali.
Hindi pa kayo ng palakpak kung hindi kayo sinabihan. Okay. Please rise. Everyone rise, please. We're going to have a toast for the birthday celebrants. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to make a toast to these birthday celebrants. Happy birthday, and may you have many more birthdays to come. All the best for all these years, for now and forever, or whatever. Happy birthday! Cheers! Cheers.